Keep the tension steady. We're almost clear of the door.
Get that rear strap tighter.
It's tight. Check the front ones again.
Watch your clearance on this side.
Okay, hold it right there. We're clear.
Whoa, that's a walnut and another. Wow, that's bad. And they're completely gone here. Let's see what's in here.
Oh man, look at that spare tire.
The quarters are completely shot. This is worse than it looked.
A little more here. That's 3, 4, one more. One, 2, 3, lift.
Careful with this one, it's brittle. Pull.
Okay, stop.
Push now.
Tilt this side. Watch the gasket tear.
Hold steady.
Okay, one more bolt. Got it.
Lift together.
Watch the spring.
Clear the fenders. Walking back now.
Controlling the spring, releasing slowly, and clear.
Got it. One more connector. There we go. Headlight feed, ignition circuit. This goes to the starter solenoid.
Fuel lines disconnected. Coolant hose is off. Wiring clear. Exhaust free.
It's coming. Looking good. Clear the mounts.
Supporting the weight, coming down, and clear. Alignment marked, disconnecting rear, sliding forward and out.
Supporting the weight.
Disconnect that side.
Lowering together. Watch the brake lines.
Spring compressed, securing with chain, breaking the taper, and free. Front bolts clear, middle section coming loose, rear mounts next. Up slow. Watch the right side, keep it level, looking good, clear the frame.
Front rail's pretty solid. Rear sections need attention. Cross members look good, but the body mounts need replacement.
16 control arm bolts, 8 body mount bolts.
More rust here than expected. This section's gone. Roof looks solid. Mark this floor section for replacement. The quarters need patches, and the door bottoms need new metal.
Driver's floor pan, complete replacement, 12 square feet. Passenger quarter lower section, 8-inch patch. Rockers both sides, full length replacement.
Section 1 out, moving to Section 2.
Bend angle looks good. Checking the curve, fits the contour. Trimming this edge for final fit.
Stack line.
Seam weld starting, good penetration, moving to next section. Smooth here. A little more on this weld, checking with straight edge. Cut line looks good, inner structure solid, new panel fits the contour, gaps are acceptable, ready for welding prep. Stitch 1, checking alignment. Stitch 2, panel staying flat, moving along the belt line. Front edge aligned, checking door gap. Rear section needs to come out 1/8 inch.
Well, that's it. Clamp it there.
First section complete, rotating for better access. Middle section, final section, checking for gaps, solid weld throughout. Door 1, bottom section out, patch formed, welding in. Door 2, same repair. These will be invisible after paint. Filling crack with weld. Reinforcement plate positioned. Corner section 1 welded, rotating for access. Spare tire weld next, extensions last. Trunk floor solid now. Working time, getting tacky. This section needs to set before sanding.
High spot here, file it down, checking the crown, body line coming back, blend zone smooth.
Etch coat on exterior panels, rotating for underside, inside surfaces, complete coverage of bare steel, ready for high build primer. First coat establishing, flash time 5 minutes, second coat building, third coat final thickness, complete gray coverage achieved. High spot here, blocking it level, low spot revealed. More sanding needed, panel straightening, near perfect, one more pass.
Front gap too wide, adding shim. Rear gap perfect. Top needs to come down, checking all around.
Gaps consistent, factory spec achieved.
Sealing floor seams, trunk pan joints, door jamb seams, hood hinge area, complete moisture seal, factory appearance replicated.
Roof straight, the hood gap is perfect.
Fenders aligned, quarters straight.
Doors fit excellent, and the trunk lines are correct.
Block submerged, solution working, grime lifting, rotating for complete coverage, ready for rinse. Cylinder 1 to size, checking diameter, 0.030 over specification met. Moving to cylinder 2, precision maintained throughout.
Main bearings installed, crankshaft lowering in, caps positioned. Torque sequence beginning, 1, 2, 3. Center main ring compressor positioned, piston 1 entering cylinder, tapping gently, seated, rod cap torqued, checking rotation, piston 2 ready. Camshaft entering block, careful not to damage bearings, lobes clearing, timing marks aligning, dots matched. Valve timing correct, thrust plate secured, head gasket positioned, alignment dowels guiding. Head 1 lowering, bolts started. Torque sequence beginning, center bolts first.
Masking critical surfaces, first coat Pontiac blue, medium wet application allowing flash time, second coat complete coverage, factory correct blue achieved. Intake gaskets positioned, manifold lowering onto heads, bolts started. Torque sequence center out, checking alignment. End seals in place, intake sealed. Gaskets positioned, valve covers lowering, chrome perfect, bolts started, careful torque, no over tightening. Pontiac script facing forward, covers sealed.
Air cleaner positioned, wing nut secured, decal applied, engine assembly complete, ready for installation.
Just a little more to the left, Mark.
Easy, down an inch, hold it there. Okay, pull it tight right there. Make sure the adhesive catches.
Got it. Should I clip this side now?
Yeah, hit that clip.
Hold it. Careful on the trim.
Yeah, I feel it. Okay, clear now. Looks good, hold your end.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Sounds absolutely perfect.